Hello, everybody. My name is Pradit Terdtoon from Chiang Mai University. I come from Faculty of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, in which where I was appointed as a full-time professor there. I'm here just to welcome you all to the STIST, or Science and Technology and Innovation for Sustainable Well-being International Symposium. And because this year is 2021, so we just simply call the STIST 2021. I still clearly remember at the first time, it was 13 years before, 13 years ago, the STIST the first was established with its purpose in order to create the science, the technology, and the innovation for all people's sustainable well-being. So that's what's the reason why we include many areas of the technology, science, scientific area, or engineering, or even the medical science in this international symposium. It was started in 2008 in Mahasarakham University in northeastern Thailand, very near to Khon Kaen province. So the best way to arrange it, we started in the city of Khon Kaen, in which lots of hotels and the seminar lounge can be easily found there. This year is 13 years. Actually, this is the 2-year event. It's just because the host, Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Technology, Faculty of Engineering in Sinpakorn University in Nakhon Pathom province, very near to Bangkok, they proposed last year. Last year, we have contacted so many places, and our friends in Japan, in the KEK, the High Energy Accelerated Particles Research Laboratory in Japan, in Tsukuba Science City, they agree that in 2020, this special event will be arranged in KEK Symposium Hall. But because we are confronting with the a very severe situation of the COVID-19, so it just a little bit postponed. We really thank our friends in Japan, especially in the KEK, about that. So this year it's become what we call the STIST 13. STIST 13, many people will think, wow, 13, that is a very dangerous number. But well, it's just a number actually. In my sense, 13 is one of the two number within the teen numerical range. You might wonder, what is the numerical range? Well, when we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, like that, when we start 11, it's not 10, 1, something like that, or 1 teen. It's just 11. And the 12, it's not the 2 teen or 210, something like that. No, it's 12. 11 and 12 is a little bit spatial numbers. But starting with the 13, we're using teen at the end of the word, 13, 14, 15, up to 19. So it's the numerical range from 13 to 19. But if you look carefully to that number, all number from 13 to 19 will end up with teen. But there are only two numbers that the spelling has been changed. It's 13, it's not 13, it's 13, and also 15, it's not 15. So 13 is something special. That's a very good number that we can continue. So this time, STIST 13 will be a special event we do believe that this will be the special events for all scientists, engineers, and technologists to come and brainstorm how to create a good society for the sustainable well-being. When we talk about the sport, 13 might apply for the sport called rugby. In rugby league, you can notice that each side has 13 players on the field at any given time. If you want to change player, then totally that would be 13. And you see that is very exciting games that we can be some call the barbarian sport for that. But it shows that this kind of the sport that male or female players can be participate in that, and that will create all the joint spirit together in this kind of special rugby team. In humanity sense, when we observe the moon, of course, there will be the first quarter, and you see from that, the first quarter down there, and then the new moon, the dark moon is, and then you have the third quarter of the moon, and then the full moon. That's totally will be something like 13 days. But actually, this lunar count is not 13 by itself. It's the thing that we call the menstrual cycle of all the women. It's 28 days. So 28, when you multiply by 13, that will be 364 days. That is the number of the total days in a year. So this 28 days of menstrual cycle will be one of the cycle for the female actually. That will be 13 cycle around in 1 year. See, so 13 is something biological meaning for us. Now, when we turn to the mathematics, everybody has learned about this sequence, and there will be the sequence starting of number 1, then 1, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then you see that 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. You remember that? This is Fibonacci series, Fibonacci sequence, and when we try this, that is the golden rule, golden ratio of all the living things. So 13 is one of that the elements of the sequence of the number. So it shows that this 13 will be something special for living things too. Talking about other things in mathematics, you remember what we call the Pythagorean triples. Well, a Pythagorean triple consists of 3 positive integers, a, b, and then c, such that a squared, a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, or a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, c to the power of 2. So such a triple is commonly written a, b, and then c. And a well-known example is 3, 4, 5. 3 to power of 2 is 9. When you plus the 4 to the power of 2, 16, that will be 25, which is 5 to the power 2. And the second one is this number, see that? 5, 12, and then 13. Oh, this is what we call the Pythagorean triple. So see that? 13 is one of that. So it's very special number. In history, in the United States of America, of course, the USA was created from the 13 British colonies, 13. And such as the number 13 is commonly recurring motif in the American heraldry. For example, there are 13 stars of the Great Seals of the United States, and there are 13 stripes on the American flag. What kind of state is that? Well, you can see from that purple state, starting from up north from New Hampshire down to the south of Georgia. You can see the 13 states comprised of that. The first USA, and they're even using this. You see that? The eagles, up on the eagle over there, there will be 13 stars. And then you see at the one of the feet, there are 13 olive leaf and then 13 arrow on the right leg. So this is, well, US people might think it's special. I don't know. But the STIS 13 is something like that. It deserves our respectation for all of us. So I am here just to congratulate the Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Technology, the Sinpakon University, for its all of the power, the labor, and you can see that everything they have put their effort on this. This will ensure us that this STIS 2021 or STIS 13 will be a great event for all of us, and I wish that this event will be a special event for you, all of you who attend it online, can get any idea back home, and then you get a very good point of your starting point for wherever you are, and then this will be a starting point of your knowledge and also connection all around the world. Thank you very much.